Hello everybody, welcome to another Minecraft tutorial. This one is a very special tutorial because today we are going to be making a flying machine door. This right here is actually a 15 by 15 flying machine door. Unfortunately, the design isn't flush. It's actually because of the redstone blocks. So, I went ahead and made a different design. This right here is a 10 by 10 flying machine door. There are no redstone blocks on top, as you can see, but there is one on the side. When the flying machine completely stops, there's actually a bridge over here that extends, helping us walk through without falling into the void. That would be bad. This door is infinitely expandable, although I will be showing you how to build a 10 by 10 flying machine door. I'll show you here what you need. I recommend that you build your door in a creative world before trying it out in survival. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna line yourself up with this grass block, and you're gonna go down. You're gonna go to a block to your right. You're gonna place an obsidian right here. Then place some slime. You're gonna go temporary block, and you're gonna place an observer facing towards this slime block. You're gonna place a piston facing outwards, an observer coming away from that piston, and then a sticky piston. Then 2 more slime blocks. Then you're gonna go 4 slime blocks from the sticky piston. Over here, you're gonna place a sticky piston facing downwards, an observer facing downwards, a piston coming away from this observer, and then a sticky piston facing upwards. Then you're gonna go a temporary block from this downward observer, and you're gonna place 2 observers facing towards the piston and a sticky piston. Now it's time for your mini flying machines. You're gonna go 3 slime blocks. You're gonna place a slime block here, sticky piston downwards, sticky piston upwards, 2 slime blocks, sticky piston downwards, sticky piston upwards, 3 slime blocks, block here, sticky piston downwards, sticky piston upwards, 2 slime blocks, sticky piston downwards, and then upwards. Basically, where your door blocks are going to start is actually from this slime block, and you're going to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you may notice that this block ends in a sticky piston. Both the bottom door block and the top door block have to be on a slime block. So we're going to destroy this block on the bottom, and we're going to move it 1 block up. Then 3 more slime blocks. Slime block here. Sticky piston downwards. Upwards. 2 more slime. Downwards. And upwards. Now what you're going to need is a top flying machine. You're going to place an extra slime block right here. An observer facing towards the slime block. Then you're going to place a sticky piston facing upwards. So on top here, you're going to place 2 slime blocks like this. Another slime block. And then finally, the last one. Then place an observer facing downwards on the slime block. And then a piston facing upwards. Last thing you need to do is place a temporary block here, an observer going into this slime block, which will power this piston. The next thing you're going to do is going to place some obsidian on top of here, go down to the very bottom of your flying machine, and you're just going to line a row of blocks like this. We will destroy these later. So, you're going to grab your observer. If there's 1 slime block sticking out, you place 1 observer right here. Go up, and there you place 2 observers. Then 1 observer, then 2, then 1, then 2, until you reach around here. Then you can destroy these blocks. Now what I want you to do here is pause your video and make sure that your flying machine looks something like this. Now that we're done with our slime block flying machine, let's use our honey block flying machine. So to come around to the bottom, and you're gonna place another piece of obsidian right here. You're gonna place observer, piston, observer facing upwards, sticky piston facing downwards, and observer facing downwards, piston outwards, sticky piston upwards, and you're just gonna finish your remaining observers. The reason why I'm doing this first is because it will be a hell of a pain to put it in later. Now all you have to do is just copy the slime block, but with honey. Okay, now that we're done with our second flying machine, let's see our obsidian placement. So, we're gonna go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 9 blocks of space between here and above here. So we're gonna add 9 to this obsidian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can destroy the remaining obsidian except for these 2 that's stopping the flying machine from going. You're gonna extend these by 9 since it's a 10 by 10. Yeah, it should look something like this. I'm just gonna extend it more just to be careful. Better to be safe than sorry. Now the next thing to do is build it layer by layer by layer by layer. Well, if you're in survival. If you have cheats on, just like me, gonna do slash give app p structure underscore block. You will receive a structure block in your inventory. So basically what this does is it copies and pastes this builds. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place our structure block just right here. Like that. You're gonna right click on it. And basically what you're just gonna do is gonna grow it to the size of your door. So my z-axis is just gonna be -1. Since there's 2 blocks right here. Z is also gonna be 2. Yep. Make sure you have every single part of your flying machine. Yeah. You have something like this. Then, before saving it, I want you to exit it out and make sure you have everything of your flying machine. Now you're just gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna call it, I'm just gonna call it U. Let's save it. So now that we have our structure block saved, you're gonna go block here. Then a block here. Destroy that block. Gonna place a structure block right here. This time, put it on load. And you're just gonna type U. You should see that your flying machine is now loaded. Now all you have to do is just keep repeating this process. So now I reached 10 flying machines. So now we're gonna test out all of these. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep your obsidian at the top. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, but I promise you the redstone is not hard. So If your door is less than 15 blocks, like mine, it's a 10 by 10, simply locate this observer right here. You're gonna go a block below from this observer. You're gonna destroy that top block. You're gonna place a redstone dust on this observer. And you're gonna run across a line of redstone. Yeah, just like that. Now, you're gonna remove your obsidian at the top. And normally when you do insane projects like these, I recommend you do make a copy of your world. For me, I would rather take the risk. As you can see, our flying machine door goes up. Yep. You can remove this extra obsidian since it has nothing to do here. Now what we want to do to send the door back down is we're going to place a layer of obsidian right here. But this time you're going to grab out your glazed terracotta. You're going to go to the bottom of your flying machine door. Locate this piston. You're going to go 2 blocks from here. Redstone dust on top of this observer. Run a line of redstone dust and glazed terracotta. Just like that. I'm gonna whack a button here. Remove the obsidian. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start the flying machine. Now press the button and the whole door should go down. Now we're gonna work on our button input. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna place a button on this frame right here. Just anywhere that you wanna wire it into. Just gonna place mine here. You're gonna locate the block where the button is. You're gonna go a block below. And then another block below that. You're gonna destroy this block. Go a block here. Right here. Here. And here. Then you're gonna line them all with the redstone dust. Now you're gonna place a sticky piston just right here on this block with an observer facing just into the abyss. You're gonna go a block here, then go a block down, destroy that top block. You can destroy this button. Then you're gonna go 2 blocks, destroy this block, and then place a repeater right here. Then what you're gonna do is from this same block, go 2 blocks down from here, destroy that top block, place some redstone, then go 2 blocks from here, then place a repeater, just like that. Now the final step you need to do is try out your door. Although it looks like your door is complete, it actually isn't. The problem is, when you open your door, you have to walk across this void here. Scary, innit? If you fail, you'll be stuck for the rest of your life. Yeah, you're definitely cooked. But don't worry, I solved this problem. You're gonna grab out your redstone block, redstone dust, redstone torch, redstone repeater, and a sticky piston. You're gonna come to the left side of your door, and then you're gonna place a redstone block on where this observer is. You're gonna go a block here, go a block down, destroy that top block, place a piece of redstone dust, and yes, we'll get to this later. Now over here, you're gonna place a block here, then a sticky piston that will push this block right here. We're gonna continue extending this row of sticky pistons. up until your door. Place some blocks to walk across. Then over here, on this first sticky piston, place a block behind. Go a block down. Destroy that top block. You're gonna place a redstone torch right here. And over here, you're gonna run across a line of redstone dust. Now, on the block with the redstone torch, you're gonna go here. Then a block down from there. Destroy this top block. And place another redstone torch. Now we're gonna continue running across this line right here. Place another piece of redstone dust. A repeater at 2 ticks. More redstone dust. On this block, you're gonna place a repeater at 4 ticks. What if you're building a door over 15 blocks? You're gonna come over here, go 2 more blocks with redstone dust. You're gonna go across the whole line, all with redstone. And you're gonna place a repeater if you need. Then go a block here. Redstone dust. Block here. Block up. Redstone torch. Place a block up. A redstone torch. And the remaining redstone dust should be powered. You're gonna keep on repeating this process until all these sticky pistons have been powered. What if your door is over 15 blocks? Well, I have a signal extender right here. So, do the same thing as you did. Run across a line of redstone dust on the glazed terracotta and also some more redstone dust on solid blocks. Then you're gonna place repeaters, just gonna scatter it across the door. Now you're gonna make sure that all of these redstone dusts are powered by pressing the button. And if these sticky pistons all power in sync, then your door should definitely work. If you need any help, I have a new Discord server that you can get me in contact with. Now with that is actually your door tutorial complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.